how to do a 3D dragon braid. We're going to start by taking a section across at the very front and popping that in a ponytail, and then another section across from ear to ear and then popping that in a ponytail. When you do your dragon braid, just think of the numbers 3 and then 2. So you split the top ponytail into 3, and then you're going to take the bottom ponytail and split it into 2. Take the middle piece of the top ponytail and put it between the 2 pieces of the second ponytail. Then you want to put the side pieces of that top ponytail next to the bottom ponytail. You're then going to lift up the second ponytail, pop it out the way, and then take the next section down. So you just go across with a rat tail comb. If you use a soft brush when you do your sections, you'll make the hairstyle so much neater. So you just pop all of that into a little hairband to form the third ponytail. With the hair in between, we're just going to take it and we're going to pinch it out with our fingers. So you got these 3 pieces here and you're just going to pull on them gently. If you over pull it, don't worry too much. Just try to even it out. This hairstyle is very forgiving. Once you've pinched it out, you can bring the hair down and then you're just going to split that hair into 3. So remember what I said, 3 and then 2. So you split that into 3, and then the ponytail below, you're going to split that into 2. You can then repeat the same process. So you're going to put the hair in between those 2 pieces, bring it together, and then you can just put the hair at the side of that little ponytail there, and then just lift the ponytail up and out the way. I like to use sectioning clips to hold mine out the way, and then you just take the next section, and again you're going to join that hair into the ponytail. Now Poppy's hair was a little bit wet when we did this hairstyle, so it's better to start with more dry hair that you've just sprayed a little bit and then pop in some hairstyling cream with it. That works a lot better. So this was quite damp. It is our hair wash day, so for demo purposes we just did it with wet hair, but it does dry out a lot nicer after an hour. So if you think of a 3D braid as each time once you've pinched out the hair, that you're going to take the section above, split it to 3, and then take the section below, split it to 2. It is so much easier to remember. Now when we get to the last section of the hair, you're going to treat it like it's 2 parts. So pinch out the last part of the hair on the head, and then when it gets to the ponytail piece, it's basically like saying halving it. So you're not going to be adding in any more hair. So you're just going to go 3 and then 2. So split the hair in 3, lift up the 2, and then pop in that hairband. And again, so you're going to take those 2 pieces down, pinch out the hair, and then you're going to take that hair that's not in the hairband, think of it like that, split that into 3 and split the piece in the hairband into 2, and then just bring the hairband piece, 2 pieces together, lift them up, and then just tie those 3 pieces together. This hairstyle looks better with clear elastics, but we use these pink ones just to help you guys learn. And then when you get to the very bottom piece of the dragon braid, so you're going to tie in your hairband like you would on the 3 pieces, and then you can see those 2 pieces hanging down. So tie the 3 pieces and then leave a little space, and then just join those 2 pieces into that hair tie. So you're not tying them all together in one. This way is so much better when you pinch it out, and it just finishes the hairstyle nicely and you don't have to use 2 bands for it. Pop in some hair mascara at the very end just to neaten up the hairstyle. And then there you'll have a very beautiful 3D dragon braid hairstyle. And all you have to remember is 3 and then 2. And just remember, practice makes perfect, and it takes time to learn hairstyles like this. I hope you like it, and please subscribe for more daily hairstyles. Bye.